Up gang, Sean Don Plus back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you not brand new but used camera I'm using to start off my YouTube channel.
The weight that I carry on my shoulders every day, that should be heavyweight. Yeah, that should be heavyweight. So I gotta dedicate. I set an example for my little brother, so I gotta demonstrate. Gotta show him better way.
So I did order a camera off of Amazon. It was like an off-brand camera for like $99 in it. Well, it wasn't that good. It didn't go that good. It was like, when I looked at the video, it was like grainy when I was editing it. And the audio was like totally out of whack. I got me a used camera, a Sony CyberShot DSC RX100. So this is the case that the guy gave me. He didn't give me a charger, but you know, it's eBay. Here it is. So this is what I'll be using to, you know, start off my channel. Yeah, I already like how it is. I tweak with the settings a little bit. This is my cell phone. You know, me recording it on my cell phone. And this is my laptop. This is where I got it from on eBay. See, I found a good price. Paid about $186 for shipping. Well, I paid almost $190 in total. I paid $160 for it, and the extra was shipping and handling. So, yeah. Here it is again. You know? So, yeah, this is where I'm going to be recording my videos off of in the future. Let me actually set it up. Now you're here. This is the Sony Snapshot RX100. This is the view now. I like this better. And I put a little audio test on the computer, the laptop. Sounded way better. So now you can go to my other video of me unboxing the other camera and listen to the audio. And listen to the audio on this camera. It's way better. Now, it's a little bit more stuff I gotta work on, like lighting and stuff, for example, but I'm definitely satisfied with this and totally recommend. I wouldn't recommend going on getting a $99, you know, camera from Amazon, or off-brand camera. You should get a branded camera, so because there is a total difference, a way better difference, and this video will be an example. So yeah, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the links in the description to my other social medias in the description below, and stay tuned. Shout out.